Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kindercrafts by Aditi. So it was my niece's birthday in the first week of September and this video is about how we planned a budgeted decor at home for her. So from cake backdrop to gifting setup, this video has it all. So the video has been divided into 3 parts: the planning phase, preparation and followed by the execution. Plan at least 1 month prior to the decided date or at least a buffer time of 20 days. So let's start with the video, but before we begin, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Starting off with the planning phase, begin by deciding theme of the cake. Which cake do you like? You want unicorn?
No.
No? Okay. You want pepper?
No.
No? Okay. You want this?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Makeup is done? We'll do makeup cake? Say yes?
Yes.
Yay. So as per our theme, we make the complete list of balloons, decor, curtains, streamer, candles, birthday sash and many other decorative items. So once our list was ready, we went to the market. The main purpose was to get makeup themed decorative items. So now makeup theme is not a very regular theme. We had to improvise our buying as per the availability in the market. Sticking to our theme of pink, black and golden, we got the respective decorative items. As you can clearly see, there are so many options available, but try sticking to your theme and budget. It will save you a lot of time and effort. Drop the unnecessary items. We got the complete rolls of pink, black and golden paper ribbons. These will be very much useful for decoration, in balloons and gift packing as well. Next are the party hats, birthday banner and a tablecloth. Tablecloth is something new for us. Let's see if it works or not. So we are all done with the birthday decoration shopping. Now let's go through them again. Resorting will help you take out the unnecessary items from your shopping list. Like this headband, so we took it out. Got a perfect decor piece for cake backdrop. We even got 2 packs of pink and white paper tissues. We'll be using these to make paper tassels for the cake table. We got a pump to fill up the balloons as well. Done rechecking all the items once again. The complete bill was less than 1000 rupees. Moving forward towards the gift shopping, a little tip for the parents out there. Please consider your child age and his or her preference before buying a gift for him or her. A puzzle game is a good pick for a 3-year-old toddler. In board games, instead of stamp art, we preferred buying clay. Keeping in mind her preference, we even got her a makeup table. That's all about preparation phase. Time to switch to execution. And the last part of the video comprises cake backdrop, gift area setup and 2 to 3 DIY activities. This is the location for our cake backdrop. We started off by pasting the golden curtains which we showed earlier. We got 2 packs to cover larger area. So as per the theme, we got 3 colors, golden, pink and black. The little one clearly could not contain her excitement. Little tip, prefer filling up the balloons a day prior. It will save a lot of time. We got number 3 since it's her 3rd birthday and some pink star foil balloons. Next we started pasting the balloons randomly and it turned out to be this way. A matching theme birthday banner has completed the look. Now it's time to experiment with the tablecloth. Let's see how it looks. Though it's unicorn theme, but it completely went well with the final look. So yes, it's a good buy. To this, we added some DIY paper tassels. Watch ahead to see how these tassels were made. Got these pink and white paper tissue rolls from the market. Simply fold the tissue roll and start cutting it into thin strips from the open end like this. Similarly, make another set of these thin strips. Please keep a note that the strips are not being cut from end to end. The folded part is not supposed to be cut. Both the strips should be of equal length. Don't worry even if it's not being cut very precisely. A little hack, you can even use a golden or silver wrapping paper to make these tassels. Now join the 2 strips together and fold it from the center like this. You can take as many sets of these tassels to increase or decrease the thickness of each tassel. Comb the strips, make it even and paste it with the help of a glue or tape. I made around 8 to 10 pieces of such tassels and pasted it in alternate color theme. It hardly takes 5 minutes for this DIY activity and it turns out to be really good. So here we are done with our cake location. Let's see the complete look. The extra balloons that you can spot on the left side of the wall are for emergency fixes. Time to show our makeup theme cake. We so love this makeup cake. Let's move forward to our gift setup. This setup is completely optional and as per your preferences. Starting off with the banner. It's a DIY activity again. Watch ahead to see how this customized birthday banner was created. We took different patterns of same color palette, made a cutout in the shape of a dress, using it as a stencil, cut out the remaining sheets as well. Now for planning the birthday theme for a boy, you can use blue color or shirts or his favorite animal too. So as per our requirement, we made around 8 to 10 pieces of these dresses to complete the banner. I wrote happy birthday with the help of a black sketch and some glitter and pasted it on a pink lace, and this is how it turned out to be. Quite easy and totally in sync with the theme. Adding to it was a canopy made out of a white net. Completed the remaining look with 2 balloons and a pink bow. Moving forward, these are some of the gifting options including a DIY gifting idea. The link to this will be mentioned in the description below. If you can spot the clothing hanger on the left, it is also a DIY idea. Hanging corner made out of PVC pipe. Rest were some of the toddler demands. Hope you liked this video and please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any query or if you would like to see more such videos, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.